Hello students, our today's topic is validations. What is the business scenario for validation? The accounting manager wants to know the options through which he can control the important data entries to ensure the consistency and correctness of the data entered in financial accounting document. What do you mean by validations? By configuring the validation rule, the entered data is validated according to that validation rule. The data is posted after it is validated as per the validation rule, and the validation rules are defined by using Boolean logic. When you define a validation rule, the system checks that validation rule. For instance, you can specify that a message is issued but the user can continue processing. So you can also force the user to correct the error before processing can continue. Besides financial accounting, you can also use validation rules in cost accounting and assets accounting. You can also assign several steps with one validation instead of creating individual validations per step. The maximum number of steps possible in one validation are 999. For validation in accounting document. For validation, we can use transaction code OB28 or bypass SAP S financial accounting, accounts receivable and payable, business transaction, incoming invoices, credit memos, make and check document setting. SAP में जाते हैं. SAP is financial accounting, accounts receivable. Okay, SAP SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, financial accounting, accounts receivable and payable, business transaction, incoming invoices, and make and check settings for document setting. In that validation in accounting, now click on new entries, enter our company code. We will create our call point, that is line item, and validation will give Z business, so BU area, and then press enter. Validation, we will search here and Z BU area, business area. Validation not exist. Okay. Press enter, again press enter. TR even, call point for line item, validation, Z business area, press enter. Double click on validation and create again yes. तो यहाँ पर हम validation create करेंगे. Select validation. Okay, validation select किया. Now click on step button. Now enter validation step. Business area required for cash GL. Now double click on prerequisite and then select your accounting document segment and search your GL account. Or you can find GL account. Okay, now double click on GL account and now click on equal sign, then click on constant button, enter your GL, that is cash account, click on continue button and then click on check. Now we will click on accounting document segment, search business area, double click on it, then click on equal to sign, click on constant, enter our business area TR1, click on continue. Now click on message and then click on change button. Display object login inconsistent task. Okay, just check it. Now we will go to our SAP. Close it, click on new session SE01, click on transport organizer tool, click on unlock objects, enter our request and then click on execute. Now come back and check it. फिर से करते हैं नो. Okay, double click on it, click on yes. Your validation step prerequisite. Business area required for casual prerequisite. Click on account document segment. Search GL document. Business area equal to constant TR1. Continue. Check segment prerequisite. Just delete it. Step business area required for casual prerequisite. Click on account document, search GL. Continue. Double click on it, equal to constant cash GL. Then continue. Now click on check. Again click on account document segment. Search business area. Continue. Double click on it, equal to constant TR1. Then continue. And now click on message. Then click on change button. Still not executed. Okay. Well, this Control C. New session. SC01. Transport organizer tool. Unlock objects. Right click and just execute. Unlock. Okay. Now come back and just check it again. Control C. 12 and 13. Okay. Go to SA01. Change. Unlock. Press execute. Unlock. Yes. Another one is open हो गया. Come back. Now click on messages and see here already. Okay, we will add an 051. Validate. Correct. Business area. With cash GL account. And now save. Click on create request. Enter your description. Validation tool for business area. Click on save button and then click on continue button. Now come back. Enter your message number, that is 051. Then click on step 001 Validate correct individual account message number. And now click on save button. Click back. Again come back. Come back. Come back. And activation level 1, that is active. And now click on save button. Click on create request. Enter your description, validation rule for business area. Then click on save button and then click on continue button.